welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zoluka Auntie Daycare. If today's your first day on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You're so welcome. Yes, I know it's been forever. I am so sorry. No one prepared me for 2 children, family, and work. You know, so it hasn't been easy, but I promise you there's gonna be a good change. Okay, now today we're gonna be learning about Àlọ́ Àpamọ̀ and Àlọ́ Àpagbè. Now Àlọ́ Àpamọ̀ I have spoken about in my previous videos. If you missed that, you can always please go back and watch those, but I'm just gonna give you in brief what each of them are, and I'll give you examples. Okay. And now, Àlọ́ Àpamọ̀, right, is similar to your idioms, okay? Whereby you can predict what the end of the sentence is, okay? Now, your input is required for that. But when it comes to Àlọ́ Àpagbè, your input is not required. Rather, you learn lesson from the story, and you can ask questions as well from Àlọ́ Àpagbè. Now, before we go into all of that today, you know we have to greet everyone together in Yorùbá language on the count of Ení o, Èjì o, Ẹ̀ta, ó yá o, ẹ káàárọ̀ o, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó tọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta. A kú àtijọ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ má bínú. Mi mọ̀ wípé bó ṣe máa rí nì pé ọmọ méjì pẹ̀lú ẹbí àti iṣẹ́ àtàrà. Ẹ wò ó ní agbára. Àmọ́ àtúnṣe máa wà. Ẹ ṣáà ní sùúrù fún mi, àtúnṣe máa wà. Ẹ ṣé gidi gan ni. Ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ nípa Àlọ́ Àpamọ̀ àti Àlọ́ Àpagbè. Tẹ́ bá rántí bí fọ́rọ̀ mi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn, a kọ́ nípa Àlọ́ Àpamọ̀ tí mo béèrè wípé kí ló wọnú ọjà tọ́jà fi túká. Tí mo sọ fún yín pé kẹ́ lọ ṣe iṣẹ́ àmúrelé ẹ̀. Kò sí kankan nu wa tó gbà, àmọ́ mo padà wá sọ fún wa pé òjò ni. Kí ló kọjá wájú lọ́ba tí ò kọba àgbàrá òjò níṣẹ́ mọ́. Mo sọ àwọn Àlọ́ Àpamọ̀ mo fún ní oríṣiríṣi àpẹẹrẹ nígbà náà lọ́hùn. Ní títí eléyìí tá máa kọ́ lónìí, a máa kọ́ nípa Àlọ́ Àpagbè. Àwọn àlọ́ bíi àlọ́ Ìjàpá ọkọ Yáníbo, àlọ́ nípa Ìjàpá àti ajá. Ní ti tòní a máa kọ́ nípa Àlọ́ Àpagbè. Ní ìgbà kan, ìyàn mú gbogbo ẹranko pa ìyá wọn jẹ. Ajá gbé ìyá rẹ̀ lọ sí ọ̀run. Ó máa ń jẹun ní ọ̀dọ̀ ìyá rẹ̀. Ìjàpá bẹ ajá fún ìrànlọ́wọ́. Ajá mú Ìjàpá lẹ́yìn dé ibi tí ó ti ń kọrin pé ìyá ìyá takùn wálẹ̀, àlùjọ̀njọ̀n kíjọ. Gbogbo ẹranko pa yèyé rẹ̀ jẹ, àlùjọ̀njọ̀n kíjọ. Ajá gbé tirẹ̀ ó dọ̀run o, àlùjọ̀njọ̀n kíjọ. Ìyá nà okùn sílẹ̀, wọ́n bá okùn dé ọ̀run. Wọ́n jẹun yó, wọ́n sì padà. Ìjàpá yọ́ lọ kọrin, ìyá nà okùn sílẹ̀. Ìjàpá bá okùn dé òkè. Bí ìyá ajá ṣe rí pé kì í ṣe ọmọ òun ni, ó gé okùn ní ìlàjì. Ìjàpá já lulẹ̀, ó sì túká. Áyán àti èèrà ló bá tó ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ jọ débi ó ṣe rí di òní. Ìtàn yìí kọ́ wa pé ilẹ̀ dídà kò dára, ká má dalẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ wa. Àpẹẹrẹ Àlọ́ Àpagbè lélẹ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ní ìfikọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó dá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Alright guys, so I'm going to be giving you an example of Àlọ́ Àpagbè. Like I said, Àlọ́ Àpamọ̀ requires your input, but Àlọ́ Àpagbè does not require your input. It is more like story time, storytelling, whereby you learn from it, okay, and you can ask questions, okay, from the story. All right. So that is àlọ́ àpagbè for you. Okay. Now the story goes between dog and tortoise. Now, in a land far away, back in the days, there was famine in the animal kingdom, and they all gathered, okay, and said, okay, we're all going to be killing our mothers and eat them and share amongst ourselves. But dog was very wise. He loves his mom so much. He didn't want to kill his mom, so he went and hid his mom in heaven. Okay? So whenever he needs to eat, it would go to his mom, to where he kept his mom. It would sing a song, right? And the mom would throw the rope down, and it would climb up the rope. But here's a song. And when I'm singing the song, all you will be saying is Alu John John Ki John. Okay? Mother, mother, throw down the rope. Alu John John Ki John. Did you get that? Well done. All the animals kills their mothers. Alu John John Ki John. Dog kept his own mother in heaven. Alu John John Ki John. Whenever the mom hears the song, she throws down the rope. Dog climbs up to feed and come back to other animals. So Tortoise went to him and said, dog, please, I need your help. Then dog took Tortoise to where he kept his mom and sang the song. The mom threw down the rope. They both went up. They fed, okay, and that was it. And they went back to other animals. But Tortoise being a very tricky animal, went back. He's not trustworthy. Went back behind his friend dog and sang the song, and he climbed up the rope. As he was halfway through, the dog's mom looked down and saw that this is not my son. She cut the rope, and then Tortoise fell, and his shell scattered into pieces. Before this, Tortoise used to have a very smooth back, right? But because of what he's done, his back was scattered into pieces. Then cockroaches and ants had to help Tortoise to fix his back. That is why he's got a rough back till today. The moral of this lesson is, do not betray your friend, especially when they're doing good things to you. Okay? So that is àlọ́ àpagbè. Okay, it is storytelling. Okay, it does not require your input, except you want to learn, you want to ask questions, or you want to give your own report of what you've learned from the story. And that is it for this week. Àlọ́ àpagbè and àlọ́ àpamọ̀. I'm sure you know the difference now, right? And until we see you again next week, you know we say our old double together on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, O double. Thank you very much, Ejio.